This is the brand new Insta360 Mic Pro, and it's the best microphone Insta360 has ever made. So right now I have it wirelessly connected to the Insta360 X5. So let me show you how to set it up. Let's take a look inside the box. In here you will find documents like the quick start guide and safety guidelines. This is the Insta360 Mic Pro charging case. Slide up to open the case, which will reveal the receiver and transmitters. In the white box you'll find accessories. In here you'll find a carry case, a USB-C cable to charge the microphone, a cable to connect the microphones to your mirrorless camera like your Sony or Canon. These are magnets so you can attach the microphone onto yourself. These are wind guards to protect the microphone from wind noise outdoors. And these are phone adapters so you can connect the microphones to your iPhone or Android. To charge the microphone, you need the USB-C cable from the box and a USB plug with a USB-C socket. So to charge the microphones, plug the USB-C cable into the charging case at the back and plug the other end into the USB plug. Plug it in and wait for the microphones to charge. When the microphones are charging, you'll see the indicator light blinking. The microphone has a clip pre-installed on the back, which you can use to clip the microphone onto your t-shirt. But if you want to use the magnet instead, you can push the clip down to remove it. The magnet goes under your t-shirt and the microphone will snap on the outside. You can put the magnet over here in the carry case for safekeeping, and the phone adapters can slot in over here. To update the microphones, the easiest way to do this is to make sure that both microphones are on and the receiver is on as well. You need to connect the receiver to your phone, so I'm going to remove this back plate and connect the USB-C adapter. And then I'm going to connect the receiver into my phone. With the receiver connected, go to Settings, tap Start to download to get the new firmware. Wait for the firmware to transfer, then wait for the firmware to update. And now the update is successful. When you put the receiver into the case, it will say a new firmware version is detected and do you want to update? Tap yes and wait for the charging case to update. And now the charging case is successfully updated. If you want to change a microphone setting independently, then you need to connect the microphone to the Insta360 app. So to do this, tap Connect. On the microphone, triple tap the power button to go into pairing mode, so the blue light is flashing. Tap Connect a different device. Select the Mic Pro. Tap the power button to confirm the connection. And now the microphone is connected. To turn on noise cancellation, tap the third icon and this will make the noise cancellation weak. Tap it again to make noise cancellation strong and tap it again to turn it all off. To change how the e-ink display looks, go to Custom Wallpaper. Here you can choose from a variety of looks, or you can go to Custom and upload your own logo from your phone. So once you've chosen a display, tap it, tap Set as Wallpaper, agree, and now the wallpaper will be applied. If you want to customize your microphone further, then you can scroll down, go to More Settings, and you'll find some more professional settings here that beginners do not need to worry about. To connect the Mic Pro to your X5, turn on the microphone, and on the X5, swipe down from the top of the screen, then swipe to the left, go into Bluetooth, Bluetooth microphone, and then on the microphone, tap the power button 3 times to go into pairing mode. until the blue light is flashing. Then tap refresh on the X5. Tap the Insta360 Mic Pro and wait for it to connect. Now the Mic Pro is connected. And you can see the audio bar on the top of the X5. So now you know the Mic Pro is connected and working. That's it. Now you know how to use the Mic Pro with your Insta360 X5, and I will see you in the next video.